Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the stain right here, by the way. I don't know how I just did that, but today's video I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I just wanted to use some products that have been stored away in my collection and I haven't used in a while, but I used to really enjoy using. So we're gonna test those out again today and see if I still enjoy them. If I am speaking a little bit more quiet, it's because my daughter is sleeping as per usual. So yeah, by the way, I cut my bangs right before this video and look how ugly they are. I cannot fix them, you guys. I curl them and they go like this. Like, I can't fix them, so we're gonna have to look past it in the video and just ignore them, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my lips are always so chapped, you guys, so we're gonna do lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm in Vanilla Beige. Okay, I'm gonna prime with my Rem Beauty concealer. This one is in Light 10N. I have my mirror over here, by the way, that's why I'm looking over here. I usually prime with this Wet n Wild Incognito concealer, but it's like put away in my drawer right here, and I honestly don't want to make a lot of noise and wake Allie up, so we're gonna prime with this one. And honestly, I don't like this one that much for the actual under eyes. I feel like it's too thick for my personal preference, so we'll use it as primer. Okay, I'm gonna set that I'm gonna set that primer, eyeshadow, whatever, with this color right here in the Makeup by Mario palette. My daughter's waking up, of course. Every time I start doing something, she wakes up. Okay, for palettes, I'm gonna use the Master palette by Mario from Anastasia. So old, but it literally used to be one of my absolute, I'm trying to get it to focus on this and not on me. It used to be one of my favorites. Old school YouTube with the hand so you can focus. But obviously as time went on, other brands started coming out with a bunch of products. Now you can't even keep up with makeup. I feel like I can't keep up with makeup, so it's nice to go back if you have like a big makeup collection, to go back and see what you have and what you used to love. By the way, I'm going in with Isabella right here, which is my daughter's middle name, by the way. Oh, this says Isabel, but Isabella is my daughter's middle name. I'm gonna do like a brown mocha look. These are literally so pigmented, so buttery. Oh my god, I forgot how much I love these. Anastasia does eyeshadows really well. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Violeta right here. I had to bring her in here because she woke up and started crying and she's pushing, so don't mind her over there. I'm gonna go in now with, I think I'm gonna do Muse, which is a little bit darker. It looks kind of like a, I don't even know how to describe this color. Coppery, I don't know. No, that's not what I want. It's like a, no. It's like a burgundy. That one is way too dark. NYC. Let's try it just for fun. For liner, I have this Makeup Revolution and Bratz collab, and I also have the Vivid Matte Liner from NYX. This one doesn't have obviously the tip that I like, the felt tip, but let's attempt a wing with this. Mas no respiren and all is well. I don't think she's gonna let me finish, but I'm gonna moisturize with the Kylie Skin moisturizer. I gotta go get my nails done. I'm still unsure if I'm gonna dye my hair before I go back to work, so I gotta figure that out. I gotta figure out whether I wanna find somewhere to do it or if I just wanna add some random like highlights myself. I don't know. If you guys know me, well, if you don't know me, either one. I always dye my own hair, like I always mess with my own hair, which obviously is not a good idea, so don't do as I say. Don't do as I do as I say. Don't do it. Literally since I can remember, since I was like since I was like in middle school, I used to dye my own hair, so but I don't know, I was like, should I go get it professionally? But I asked someone, and with the color that I want, it's gonna have to be 2 to 5 sessions, she said. So depending on like how my hair lifts, how fast it lightens. So I was like, maybe not. Let me add a primer. Let me do one that I haven't done in a while. We're gonna do, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then I'm just gonna do some of the NYX spray. Let that dry a little bit because I'm gonna go in with a foundation that's more matte. And I don't want my skin to look dry. I'm trying to speed the process here, but I can't. For foundation, I'm using Oldie But a Goodie Photo Focus from... Why can't I focus on this? Come on, focus on the photo focus. Whatever. Photo Focus from Wet n Wild. I used to literally... I think the shade is too dark now. This is golden beige. This used to be my jam, you guys. Like, I would not... Like, I swear by this foundation. I would literally never use another foundation in my life. It smells like paint. I forgot how bad it smells like paint. Honestly, I don't care, but the foundation is so good. Like, the coverage is so good. Are you okay? I was saying the foundation is so good. Like, the coverage is so good, but it's super matte, and I'm just not about that vibe anymore. Because I used to swear I had oily skin. I don't know, maybe I did. I can't remember, but I feel like that was just me. That was just my brain saying I had oily skin. Just because, I don't know, I just like buying oily skin products. Like matte products. But definitely I've noticed, especially after becoming pregnant, after getting pregnant, my skin started being really dry, and like my acne area started getting really dry, and like I had dry patches so much right here around my mouth, around my nose. So definitely not an oily skin girl anymore. For concealer, I'm gonna use the the one size from Patrick Star, medium 1N, because I'm trying to decide whether I'm gonna get rid of this, because I don't know, I just don't vibe with it. I just don't use it a lot. I don't know why. When I first got it, yeah, because every time I get new products, obviously I try to use them. But oh my god, I forgot to do my contour. I like doing my contour now to blend out with concealer after, like the harsh lines. Oh my god, this is such good coverage. I don't know why I don't use it. You see? The concealer looks good, but the color is off. It's a little dark and like yellow. Like, I don't know. It looks kind of warm, yellow, warmish. What do you guys think? I think it looks, yeah, I think it looks dark. I'm gonna set with this essence powder in it's the My Skin Perfector in light. I don't know if they sell this anymore, but I used to love this. Like, honestly, to this day, if they would still have it, it would probably still be my favorite powder. But I used to get the shade Fair, and I think this one's a little too dark. Did that make my under eyes darker? I think it did. It smooths out your face, your skin. It's so good. I love it. Time for bronzer slash contouring. This is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. And no. This top one right here. We're gonna use this one. For blush, I have the Patrick Ta Volume 2 palette, I think. Volume 2 or 1? Yep, Volume 2. And I'm gonna go in with... I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. When I first used it, for some reason, I don't remember like being obsessed with it or like liking it that much, or the formula. I don't know. But right now, I'm liking it. Yes, queen. What do you guys do to diffuse this harsh line right here between your blush and like your concealer and stuff? Because no matter what, I can't get it, like I can't get it to look seamless. Every time every single time, it's been like this, like since forever, I do my makeup, I cannot diffuse this line and make it look seamless. I don't know why. I can't. So any tips, let me know. Literally just trying to get through this video, and Ali said, no ma'am. I'm just using that same powder all over my face. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. bronzer in Perpetually Tan. I remember this just being a little too dark for me and too orangey. So that's why I don't use this product that much. And I'm trying to figure out whether I'm going to declutter it or not. That's why I'm using it. Very pigmented and pretty, but I feel like it's too warm. I don't know. I'm going to do Isabel and Violeta both on my bottom lash line. What's wrong? I don't think she's going to let me do my makeup anymore. She is She's literally right here with me, like I'm carrying her. Keep your chip on. Thank you for closing the drawer. She's fuzzy after her nap. So brows, I'm just doing my usual. This is the Essence. I'm just gonna do brow gel. I don't have time to go and actually fill them out. This is the Essence. What is this? Thick and Wow Fixing Brow in Neutral Brown. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna, with my Q-tip, I'm gonna pluck them upwards. Well, that's pretty much all I'm doing because I don't got time. And Ally Girl is, she's just being Ally Girl. Okay, then I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm just gonna fix them. Okay guys, I'm just gonna wait for my boyfriend to get home and I will finish this up when he gets home because I can't do this. He's home in like an hour, so we'll do that after. I'm definitely gonna have to come back to the brows because they just look like a mess. Like, I'll just go back to them after I'm done with the video. I don't care. But I'm gonna go in with the blush, the matching blush to the one that I just used. I feel like these are not really pigmented, the powder blushes. Or I look like a clown, I just can't tell. Look, clown. By the way, her dad's not home yet. Her dad. My boyfriend's not home yet. But she seemed to be happier. So I was like, let me try to finish, but I don't think I can finish, so. Okay, I'm gonna do some mascara. Okay, I don't have any mascara that I don't like because I tend to get rid of them now, which is good. But it's not working. I'm using the cinematic feature and it's not working. But I'm gonna try a new one that I've had for, like, I bought it like a while ago. Not a while ago, but it's been sitting in my drawer for a couple weeks. This is the Milani Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. Highly rated tubing mascara. I don't know why it's not doing the cinematic feature anymore. It keeps saying move further away, but that's literally how I was filming this whole time and it was doing it. So I don't know how I feel about this yet. The formula is a little more wet than what I like. My favorite mascara ever is the Lash Like a Boss or the NYX. I forget what the NYX name is, but I don't have it right now. It's like a hot pink one and black one. Those are so good. Those are my favorites. So I'll keep using this and see how I feel about it. So let me blend out a little bit of my eyeshadow right here. For lashes, I'm wearing Style 425 from the Naked Lash collection from Ardell. I'm gonna do my lipstick now. I want to do like a brown lip liner. Let me look for one real quick. I don't know why I just didn't do the cinematic feature. I want to do a brown lip liner and then like a nude lip. I guess I'll try this one. It's super brown though. BFF3 from ColourPop. Okay, so that is the lip liner. I'm gonna blend it out. We'll clean this up after because it's a mess now. We're gonna have to do Hustle from Elf, which is a really like beige nude. It's giving 2000s Short Love vibes. Okay, I'm gonna do the Milky Gloss. In Cookies and Milk. I hate this lip liner looking so dark like this. Oh my god, if someone could just teach me how to blend this lip liner, I would look semi-decent. But anyways, that is the full makeup. I'm gonna just set with the NYX Bear With Me spray. Honestly, I am not mad at all the products that I used. I have to start using for sure the Wet n Wild foundation again. It looks really, really flawless. The concealer from One Size I really like, but I think the shade is a little too yellow and too dark under my eyes. Like, it looks super yellow under there. Elf Little Quad I really like. I've liked this for so long and I'm gonna keep using it. I was pleasantly surprised with the Patrick Ta palette because I feel like the first time I used it, the first couple times, I didn't enjoy the liquids that much, the creams, but today I didn't. I just was not a fan of the powders. I feel like they were not that pigmented, well, this shade anyways, and it felt a little dry. The Elf Perpetually Tan Bronzer. I like that this is really pigmented, but I think the color is just, I don't know, and I don't think they had a good shade range in this, but I think the color is a little too orange and dark for me. So I think I'm gonna part ways with this and just get rid of that because yeah, no. The Smashbox primer is so good, you guys. I've always liked this. It makes you look flawless. The essence powder is also so good. It didn't make my skin look darker. I thought it did, but because I'm usually in the shade Fair, but they discontinued this, so yeah. The Makeup by Mario palette from Anastasia, it's so good. I wish they would bring this back, honestly, because it's such a good palette. The tones in here are so pretty, warm tones. And then you have these glitters, these shimmers, whatever you want to call it. They're so pretty, and it's just a good palette overall. But limited edition is limited edition. Setting spray I really like. It's really refreshing, and it just brought everything together. I have like, I don't know what made that skip right here. It has, do you guys see that patch? I don't know. But I do really like that spray. But I think that's everything, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.